Hello kids, my name is Jatin. Today we will be drawing vegetables, different kind of vegetables with the help of different shapes and lines. We are going to start kids. Take your pencil. One straight line, one more straight line, one curve line, and coming back to the other first line, one slanting line going towards downside, one more slanting line going towards downside, one slipping line, one slipping line. Do not attach it. Keep space in between. V on a center. One big U shape touching towards the first point to second point. Here your vegetable is ready. Now I am going towards tomato. Make it one slipping oval shape. This is our slipping oval shape. One slanting line, one slanting line, and few zigzag line on it. Down, up, down, up. Our tomato is ready. Now we are going to cabbage. One circle, one S curve line, one curve line touching from any edge to any other edge. Now from this point curve to any other edge, again one more curve going towards any other edge, one more curve going towards any other edge, one curve going towards any other edge. This is our cauliflower. Now we are going to make it chili. Straight line, one curve line going side by side, same curve line going side by side, touching to the same point, one slanting line, one slanting line, one slipping line, one slipping line, one C at the center, same like a brinjal, but now little bit different drawing. Make it straight line, make it curve, again make it slanting line and make it curve. This is our chili, this is our tomato, this is our cauliflower, this is our brinjal. Now we are going to fill up colors inside, so please take it color. There are much more vegetables, but I didn't got a space, so I am taking 4. First we will start a brinjal. At the top point we will do a border first with a green color. I am doing border. And then I am going to fill inside. Do it slowly because it is a small portion. Now I am going towards purple color, border, fill inside by a standing mode. Please cover it slowly so color cannot get outside. My brinjal is going to finish. Cover the white dots. My brinjal is finished. Now I am going towards tomato. Take it red color. At a downside portion, first cover the oval shape. I am covering the oval shape. Now I am filling color inside in a slipping mode. Cover it in a small portion, so color cannot get outside. My lower part of tomato is ready. Now I am going towards top portion with a light green color. Fill it slowly because that is a very small portion. My top portion is ready. Now I am going towards cabbage. First fill the circle border. Fill color inside by a standing mode. My color is going to finish. Now I am filling curve portion. I am filling one by one petals. Again one more. I am covering it with my green color. Again I am going to third one. Cover it slowly because its portion is so small. Same thing to the fourth one. Make it slowly. Now lastly fifth one. My cabbage is ready. Now I am going towards chili. I will be taking red color at the downside. I am filling the border. Going straight towards downside. One slipping, one slanting, one more slanting, and one slanting line goes towards downside. Fill it politely because space is very less. It cannot get outside and disturb your drawing. Now I am going towards upper part. Fill it with a light green color. Here my vegetable is ready. So brinjal, tomato, cabbage and chili is ready for you kids. One slanting line going towards downside. One more slanting line going towards downside. One curve line touching to the first slanting line to second slanting line. It should be narrow. Do not make it broad. One slanting line, one more slanting line, one curve line, one more curve line, one more curve line. This is our carrot. Now I am going to the one more vegetable. It's named as lady's finger. One standing small standing line, one small slipping line, one more standing line, one slanting line, one more slanting line, one curve line touching to the first slanting line to second slanting line. Make it straight line and little bit curve. One slanting line, little bit slanting line and curve joining towards a first standing line. Now one straight line getting turned and joining to the same point as the first point we did a turn. One more standing line turning towards the point. Here is our point noted down. This is our lady's finger. Now we are going towards a potato. It's very simple. Potato didn't got any kind of shape, so you can make it a wave, small wave line. Don't make it deep. Wave line with the oval shape and few dots inside. This is our potato. Now we are going to do a color. This is our carrot. So we are going to do a red color at a lower part. First cover the border and do it slowly because it is very small in size. Cover it, fill inside, do it in standing position. Now I am going towards top part. Take its slanting line, one curve line, one more curve line, one more curve line and slanting line. Now fill inside in a slanting mode, to standing mode, to again slanting mode. Now here my leaf part is ready. Now we are going to lady's finger. Take it standing position first, cover it, take it standing position, cover it, slanting, standing, slipping. Do it very slowly because this part is so thin, so you have to do with keen interest. Slowly done. If you want to do a shading, you can take it yellow color inside and you can blend it inside so you can get it a natural texture. First I didn't made a shading portion. It's a simple one. This lady's finger I made it with a shading portion. Our lady's finger is done. Now take it light brown color for covering the potato. First cover the border and then fill inside. Now I am going to cover a border first. Potato is found in light brown color. Even also you can take it ochre yellow color. Cover the border. Here our border is done. Now I am going to do color in a slipping mode. Now my potato is going to finish. Thank you, kids.